his wife's name is Voodoo. Okay, she's like the Loi of the Rainbow Thunder, and his mistress name is Freda, although they say that she has other husbands too. She has like 3 other husbands. Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video we are going to talk about Damballah. Well, Damballah is considered to be the most important loi in Voodoo, and based on the information that I'm gonna tell you, you will know why he's considered to be the most important loi in Voodoo. Well, he is a snake, okay, and people say at some point in life he used to be like the only one loi ever, so he's very old. He assisted the creation of life. The stars, the planets are made out of his 7,000 coils. He doesn't speak at all, okay? There's like a sound, just like snake, okay? There's like a snake sound. Whereas Papa Legba, he speaks all languages, okay? And Damballah, he often communicates through dreams, but using sign languages, okay? So you have like to be very meticulous when Damballah is like talking to you, so that you can be able to understand what he's trying to say to you, okay? Because he's gonna use sign languages. He is the loi of fertility, goodness, and knowledge, okay? And he is part of the family of Rada Loi. However, you may find him in Petro Lois also under the name of Damballah la Flambeau. He lives in sweet water and represents the continuum, you know, the past, present, and future. And his wife's name is Voodoo. Okay, she's like the loi of the Rainbow Thunder, and his mistress name is Freda, although they say that she has other husbands too. She has like 3 other husbands. Damballah's favorite color is white, and people worship him may dress in white and green. His favorite offerings are white egg with white flour. However, you may give him like coconut and rice, basically white foods. His favorite perfume is Pompeii, and to reach out to him you have like to be super clean, guys, okay? Don't smoke, don't drink alcohol, and his altar has to be like neat, okay? If you're like a bum, dirty, or you're sick, please don't call on him. When someone is possessed by him, that person will move on the floor as a serpent and do like a psst sound, and a white sheet is laid down for him because he doesn't tolerate uncleanness, he doesn't tolerate dirt, okay? And there's like another person who's like waves over him to fend and cool him off. I know, it's a lot. And even some pedestals, they're like basin, okay? You know, like a place that has like a special water for him to plunge into to cool him off. He's often associated with Moses' staff and with Saint Patrick, okay, in Catholic, and also with Kundalini serpent of Hindu mysticism. So this is it, guys. This is the video, okay? If you think like I left some informations out, feel free to comment it down below, okay? If you have like an opinion, feel free to comment it down below. Engaged with me, guys, okay? So welcome to my channel, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel because I have more videos coming up for you.